let's go over part 6 of the Tai Chi short form Yang style. I chose a downtown location because it's so common for people in Asia to do Tai Chi on street corners, get up in the morning, walk outside in the urban environment and do it anywhere they like, anywhere on the street corner. Okay, let me just back up here a little bit. So on the last one, we're starting, rolling the shoulder in, roll the ball over. Now we're going to do stork spreads its wings, drop down, cross right, cross left, and then we're going to sweep the left knee and hit with the right. Then we're going to go back to play the fiddle, and that's where we'll stop. So let's do that a few times here. Here, drop, roll, and down. Stork spreads its wings, drop down, cross right, cross left, sweep the left knee, hit with the right, come back and play the fiddle. This time though, we go on the heel. Before when we played the fiddle on this side, we're on the toe. This side, on the heel. Okay, let me do it again. On the side, drop, roll, down. Stork spreads its wings. Let me just do it a few times with my back to you. So I think we got the general idea. Point being, you can do Tai Chi anywhere. You don't have to worry about whether you're in a park, an urban environment. As long as you got a little bit of space, you can pretty much do it anywhere.